how to reset your Capital One password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset or recover your password on Capital One. Let's dive right in. You need to open up your browser and then go to capitalone.com. Then tap on sign in option in the top right, and you'll need to scroll down and you'll find forgot username or password option. Just tap on it. So now you'll be asked to enter some basic information to verify your identity, such as your last name, your social security number, and your date of birth. So this helps Capital One find your account. And now you'll receive a verification code via text message or email. So once you enter the code sent to you, then it proves that it's you. And now, once verified, you'll be taken to a screen where you can set a new password. Make sure your password meets the bank's guidelines, usually including a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, digits, and special characters. And after that, you can just hit save and update the password. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.